And even today, yeah, even Drake, you have some little man who is the king Drake.
Yeah.
See? Which me, even from back in the days, me coming from far with them, man, the Drake Cardinal Official, enough of them
So you
legendary.
know Drake from time then?
Yeah, man.
Okay, because I know when he keeps like a party and stuff, he will invite you guys come play and stuff like
Yeah, man. You know,
Black
see,
was
yeah, man. Them they're writing a Drake video, man,
Yes,
right beside Rihanna, man.
Yes, right.
And I respect that because a big lion like him have to remember, you know?
Yeah.
So that was a nice time.
Yeah.
But what me I try to show you is the people, them, they'll say, Drake ain't guy, not the hair guy.
Yeah.
Shut up, dog. You're the biggest thing in the world. Yeah. You relax with one little sandwich I eat, man. Make sure you know choke have a box juice with it. Stop your them man, they are king of Israel. What do you do? What them I do to me?
The globe. You know what I
And you
mean?
still have some, he's whack guys, he ain't hard. And where you hard for your wood, your piece of wood, but hard and soft. And stop it nice, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Them man is the king. I don't care.
Yeah.
What
And as
do
you said, it still rate you and
But
came back and
that's
checked you.
our
You know what I
city.
mean?
That's what I try to show you with our city. It's a pity in the city.
Yeah.
You them not live champion.
Yeah.
Them rather broke him on.
Yeah.